Hello. Hey everybody. Sorry I missed out on last week's video. I just wasn't feeling up to it and didn't bother making one. So I'm going to do 2 weeks in one this week. I'm still going strong at it. I haven't given up on it. Thanksgiving, didn't eat. Y'all probably wondering if I did or not. I actually didn't eat, so still with no food, still the juice. So let me go back and talk about week 3. Week 3, it's been feeling the same way, body-wise, like it's been ever since after day 10. It's pretty much the same every day. It's actually easy. I do get hungry, but it's not even bad. It's not even hardly noticeable anymore. Stomach growls, drink juice, drink some water. I feel fine. Still have little spikes with weight. Some days I'll lose 1 or 2. Some days it's like I won't lose any. A few days it seems like you gain a pound. Don't know why, but it just happens. Haven't been as active physically as I want to. I've been a little bit more, getting it slowly, but it's been a lot late. I've been a lot on a lazy streak for a long time, and it's just, when you're used to just sitting around doing much of nothing, it's a little hard to actually go from nothing to being active. So I've been doing a little bit more and more and more, and I'm going to keep trying and keep pushing more and more, and eventually I'll get to the activities daily that I want to be at. And so with week 3, my weight, I started out at 276. By the end of the week, I was at 269. So that was a 7-pound loss, which was better than week 2, which was only a 3-pound loss. So let's see. So that was pretty much week 3. There was one day that week that on the Sunday that I skipped a juice. I was just busy that day and I just run around, and so I only got to do 2 juices that day, which it really didn't affect me at all. It didn't make me feel any weaker or anything. It didn't really cause me to lose any more weight. I was a little bit more hungrier during the days because I had to wait for the juice, but it's just like, when you skip a meal, it's just like that. So it's nothing really that big. That was pretty much week 3. Week 4, pretty much the same. Feeling wise, energy level, pretty much the same as week 3. Still feel pretty energetic throughout the day. Have been more pep in my step. Let's see. No headaches or anything. All the chest pains are just gone. I have hardly any chest pains. I maybe take 1 Tums a week now, just when the heartburn gets really bad from that, and that's just from the juice and all that. But it's getting reduced majorly compared to 4 or 5 Tums a day. So let's see. Pains throughout the rest of the body. Well, let's just say the feet still pretty much the same. I mean, won't see a difference in that for some time now. I mean, you got arthritis and heel spurs. Back pain has reduced. The pain in my middle back that was starting up has gone, so that's good. That was something that was new and just gone, so I hope that never comes back. So let's see. Health-wise, I'm feeling good. Energy-wise, great. So with week 4, I actually started the week I ended the week last week at 269. Now, like I said, I guess I did that one day before on that Sunday. I did skip a meal, and I guess when I said I didn't really lose weight, I'm going to take that back. Because the very next day, I lost 4 pounds. So I actually started week 4 on the Monday morning at 265. So, and then actually went a couple days on that Tuesday and Wednesday. I actually only did 2 juices those 2 days also. Didn't actually have any major spike because on Tuesday I dropped 1 pound. Then Tuesday I had 2 juices, and then the next day I only dropped a pound, had 2 juices, and then actually gained a pound. So that was weird. So I guess the amount of juice I had doesn't really affect the weight gain. It's just going to go crazy. It'll do whatever it wants any day. You'll never know. So, and that Friday, I didn't gain anything. I stayed at the same weight. But then the next day I dropped 2, and then I dropped 1. So I finished the weight at 261. So that week, last week, I only lost 4. So as you can see, it's kind of been alternating each week. One week I'll have a good week, then a slow week, then a good week, then a slow week. So I'm thinking this week is going to be a good week. We'll see by the end of the week. And if that pattern may end up going, but like you said, I may change it. It may change up and go crazy. But as you know, it was the end of the week, end of week 4, so which is day 28. So in a couple days, I will actually have a full month down. So I'm 1/4 of the way done. Got pretty much another 3/4 of the way to go. 90 days or so to go. So I did my measurements since I said I was going to do them every 4 weeks. Just to remind y'all, let's go back to my starting. My starting neck was 18.5. My neck measurement now is 17.5, so I've lost an inch off my neck. My chest was at 50 inches. It is now at 47.5, so I lost 2.5 inches on my chest. And my arms, which was at 15 inches, is now dropped to 14.5, so only a half on the arms, which you really shouldn't go too much just to get rid of the fat on the arms. Legs was at 26 inches and now is at 25.5, so just a half inches on both the arms and legs. Now, the waist, which is the stomach, which my first ones I did a stomach, and then I thought which was my waist was below the stomach, which is actually an irrelevant one. That's at the hips. So when you actually measure your waist, you actually measure around your belly button all the way around. So my waist starting off was 57 inches. It is now 54 inches. So that's 3 inches lost, which I'm happy about that. 3 inches in 4 weeks, so that's not bad. So that's where I'm at now. I'm starting now, week 5, beginning of week 5. So I will let you know next week how this week goes, and I will try from now on not to skip any weeks, because then y'all may think, oh, he skipped a week. He's given up. He couldn't do it. No, I'm not giving up. I'm doing this. And I'm already missed Thanksgiving. I'm going to miss Christmas too, so no biggie on that. So I guess that's that. I'll think of maybe some other things to think about, to talk about, maybe next week. Maybe get into some details more about why I'm doing this, or what I've done in the past, and why I haven't gotten healthier in the past. And I don't know. Just to chit chat, I guess. Tell you about things about me. So and just telling you how much weight I lost, how I'm feeling, and that's it. Because it's probably am getting a little boring just saying the same things all the time. Thinking maybe showing you a few of the exercises that I do with the resistant bands I've got, so that way you see kind of bit of what my little workout is. So, did do one full body workout of it, and it was easy. I mean, there was a little times that I was getting a little hard at the end, but I didn't lose energy or overexert it. I did 30 minutes of yoga afterwards, and there's a few poses that was pretty hard, but afterwards I felt really, really good. So I'm gonna try to start this week doing more of that, and get more active. That's what I need to do. Get more active, start sweating more, and just keep it up. So I will see y'all next week. Later.